Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's video, I'll share with you how to make this amazing snack which turned out so delicious. You need few ingredients for this recipe. Let's get started. In the saucepan, add in milk, followed by condensed milk. So if you are not a condensed milk type, you can use sugar or brown sugar. Even honey will work as well. So I'll stir until it comes together and then add in butter. I'll then add in grated nutmeg, which is totally optional. You can use any flavor of your choice. The last ingredient that I added was salt. I'll stir this together till well combined and then bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'll turn the heat off and then I'll add in flour. Once the flour is added, make sure you stir it faster. If not, it could form lumps, or it might form lumps and you wouldn't like it. So make sure you stir it faster till everything has come together. So this is what you're looking for. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once you are done, let it cool down completely and then transfer it to your working surface. After, divide it into 5 equal parts. If you have a big working surface, you can even roll all at once or divide it into 2 and then roll it. So you're going to roll it like a sausage shape first and then roll it thin again. It should be thin, just like so, as demonstrated in the video. You're looking for something more or less like this. I'll then go ahead and divide it into smaller pieces. It should be around 2 to 3 centimeters, just like so. I'll then go ahead and separate them. When done, the only thing you're going to need to decorate or to mold it is a fork. So use the fork to press the other side and then turn it, and then use the fork to press the other side again, as demonstrated in the video. This is very simple and easy once you follow the steps. So guys, this is it. It's very simple and easy and it's so beautiful. At this point, go ahead and preheat your oil and fry these bad boys. So guys, this is simple and trust me, it's so delicious, guys. You can use water instead of the milk, and then you can use sugar instead of the condensed milk. So guys, please don't overstir it. Once it's cooked on the other side, flip it and let it cook on the other side too. Don't overstir it. So this is it, guys. Let it stay on the fire until it turns to slightly golden brown like this. So I think mine overcooked just a little bit, but it makes it more crunchy. If you don't want it like this, you can let it cook like not brown like this. So guys, this is it. It's very simple, easy, and trust me, it's so delicious. It's crunchy on the outside, soft inside. Please give this video a thumbs up. Love you all. Bye bye.